In this video, we will be quickly analyzing the stock called HDFC Bank. Whether you should invest in this stock, whether should you trade in this stock. I will cover the both the segment. If you are a trader, what should be your action? If you are an investor, what should be your action? So currently, I have portrayed the charts, daily charts of HDFC Bank. So you can see from the low of September at 1027, it has moved to the uptrend of 1628 within a time of September, October, November, December, and February, 5 months. So currently trading at 1412, we can we expect same move in HDFC Bank because 200 rupees on a 1400 investment turns out to be a good return of 14% per annum basis if it takes time of not 5 months or 12 months. So if you are an investor, you might be interested in this. And if you are a trader, what should be your strategy for a short period of time? So let us cover both the aspect in our given video. So before start, do like, share, subscribe this video. As always, thanks for the support. So as a trader, you might be not be bothered about the 5 months, 10 months, 12 months data. You want analysis on the 1 month chart, 2 month chart, or 3 month chart, or overall trend. So if you can see, the HDFC Bank has started consolidating in the within the range of 1450 to 1350, means this is 100 points gain consolidation where upward and downward moves are limited to the 100 points. So if HDFC Bank crosses 1450, then we can expect the uptrend up to 1650. Otherwise, not. And HDFC Bank, there is a good support at 1350. So at any given point of time when stock hits 1350, you should accumulate this stock for 10 to 12 trading session. You will get 100 rupees return. That turns around to be in range of 7-8% or 12% in the month's time. So for a trader, making 100 rupees on 1300 investment at 10% per month is turn out to be 120%. For an investor, overall 200 rupees upside from the current price is a good 14% annually. That's good for you. So this remains this. By this, we stop at the technical point. Now we will understand the fundamental point. So HDFC Bank is the biggest and largest private sector bank, as you all are aware. So why bank is falling? The main reason behind this is the bank failure of bank electronic system through which e-transaction are taken care. So on 2 days that situation was there in the bank, but now everything is fine going. I I am quite positive that the RBI will allow this bank to issue the credit card to the new customer sooner or later within 2 months or 3 months time. So that will act as a very favorable for this stock. And this stock has in the last trading session itself fall by 4%. So that is a very good indicator that stock is trading at its bottom. While the HDFC Bank falls much higher compared to its peer group because the FII holding in the stock is quite high. So whenever FII's data are negative, as I have discussed in my last video, market week ahead, that FII has sold this week, and on given Friday they have sold what 3400. So it is bound that they are selling HDFC Bank. So whenever you are aware that FII is going to sell, you also sell HDFC Bank. So sure, profit would be there for you. But if there is 4% downgrade, more shorts would have been written on the share. So we might expect a short covering in the coming trading session. That will be my first giveaway point. Second, credit card business might get resumed. Third, largest private sector bank. The bank has access to the higher number of retail customers. The retail customer tends to keep their money in saving accounts, which in turn get this bank a lower capital at lower interest rate, which might turn to favorable because bank is giving interest on saving account at rate of 3%. While if bank doesn't do any business, means doesn't lend to any corporate or retail customer for housing loan, bank can invest in a sovereign instrument which is yielding 6% per annum basis. So net 3% profit is anyway there for the bank. So the bank with good books, bank with good CASA ratio, bank with good fundamentals, bank with long-term visions and performance expectation. You should invest in this bank for the longer horizon. Traders do trade for 100 points, 200 points movement within the trading session or last week. Thanks. Do like, share, subscribe, support this channel to grow bigger, better, and great.